new session with model driven app. Okay. Power Apps Home.
Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, well, can you explain a little bit about difference between canvas and model driven?
Different
Difference between canvas and model driven.
difference. Okay, okay. The basically the canvas application you
Yeah.
can canvas application the fully customize and simply all component drag and drop, and you can use the their component properties. Okay, and in model driven app it is surrounding by the data, charts, forms and entities. Okay, and it is basically used only the internal data source dataverse. Okay, common data services. And if you can use a fully customization and colorful, so mostly we use the canvas application, and model driven app using the phishing application, something quick application just like that. Excel type of Excel sheet, and you created the data. Similarly you can create an Excel sheet and as well as chart, and basically you can use the different type of chart and entities. Okay, and forms. So we use the model driven app. So in the real example of model driven app, basically the we mostly use on canvas application, but for the requirement sometimes using the model driven app. Okay, so the major difference between model driven app and canvas application, it's the customization is completely done on canvas, but in model driven app limitation of customization. Okay, hello.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Asam, before going to this, can we connect SQL also to this as a database?
Can we?
Connect SQL as a database for this Canvas apps?
Yes, yes.
See, can we connect on-prem or do we need to connect only online Azure, like Azure based SQL? How can we connect on-prem if it's possible?
SQL.
I'm talking about SQL. If instead of SharePoint or Excel, if we consider SQL database is a database for this,
Yes, yes, yes,
how
yes.
can
Yeah, on the data services, basically when we connect that SharePoint list, so you can also connect. First you create a server, SQL server, and after that you fetch the server from the Power Apps data list. Okay, just like that we connect the data SharePoint and Excel. Okay, so from you click on the data and search your SQL server, and you add this SQL server list just like that, because I don't
okay?
have, so that's
Understand.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you have some steps also, can you share with us? That will be help us because if when we had a huge content in the back end, mostly possibility to avoid the SharePoint list and possibility to go with SQL. If you have any steps, share with us. If otherwise, we can clear.
Yeah, I will share if I having to. I will share. Okay. Yeah, I will share
Okay.
one videos how to connect that data source and SQL. Okay. So we have, first of all, we created the dataverse table. So I have the table I created, employee table. Okay. So the employee table already created. Employee table, we use this table. So first of all, click on the application, and you can also click on the create from left pane, and click new model driven app. And here we put app underscore model app underscore first. Click create. So this is a blank application. So now we will add our dataverse table from here. So here is the new page. If I selected the new page, so dataverse table, you can add the dataverse table dashboard custom page. So first we will discuss the dataverse table to connect this application. So very first, uh, click next, and the all dataverse table listed here. Okay, all data was table listed here, which I created, and inbuilt data tables. So I will add our dataverse table, employee table. So if I selected my employee detail, okay, we use this. So select the existing table and create a new table. You also created a new from here, but we have lots of tables, so we add and simply I will show you the very first application, the model driven app. So this is our quick application, and if I save this and publish, and after that it is play, and then you can add data, delete data and retrieve data from this grid, and you can also adjust the table data was table view, okay, view format. So I will show you after that, because this is our first class of data model driven app. So I will show you on the simple application how to create it. So if I play it, the dynamic Microsoft Dynamic 365 will display on the top, and after that this is our application. So here is hamburger icon, you can adjust this, and this is our group 1 employee details, and you can add more table, so all table is connected here. So if I select this and click edit, you can edit from here and delete and add archive and show chart also. There is no chart, I will show you how to add the chart on the table, and this is the employee ID and created date only appear. So I will show you, go back, employee detail. I will adjust the employee detail and I will show how to update it on your application. But this is a grid view, okay. And if I unselected this and click the new form, the new form is appear. So new form is appear. The uh, form look like this. So we will adjust the form on the table. After that the all column is appear on in our form. So this is our general form. So there are the form types. So basically if you save the ID number 2, so ID number 2 is 0099. So if I save, you can save, and you can also save and close and go back. 009 is top, and if I delete it, you can edit this. So if I delete this, this is the delete confirmation, okay. So simply delete it, and so first of all we adjust the view of the grid view. So all column is appear on the grid view. So go back to our data was table and find the table. Where is our table? So employee detail, okay. You remember the table name, and then you select the table from your data source, and after that you adjust and modify the table. First, employee detail, to select the table, So in the table, here is the data expression, the forms, view, chart. So all the column is appear on the table view. But what is the basically the application view, the grid view. So we set the view of the table. So here is the all column is appear and data uh, basically the listed here on the grid view. So on this grid view, how to appear on the application? So click on the view and active employees detail, edit. Okay, remember here is the many views, the employee detail advanced, find view, employee detail associate view. Okay, so we will uh, basically edit it first, active employees detail every time, active. Okay, you remember active, and then click edit.
The views which is active employee or advanced employee, the views you created are default it's selected.
View, no, basically if you create a dataverse table. Okay, so table is you create a column, and you can adjust the table and adjust the form, adjust the view. So basically it is necessary to add the view. By default it's look like this. So our application follow the active view. So active view is by default employee id and created on. So here is the employee id and created on. So I will adjust the application. So I will add the fields name. Okay, the column name. So here is the all column name. If I select the column first name, so first name you can drag and drop. Okay, employee id, first name, and create it on. We no need to create it on. You can remove it, first name, last name, and so this is first name, last name, city, state, and country. Okay, so so if I save it, and save and publish, and then I will update our application. So what will do, what will happen, I will show you. Go back and click on the employee detail table, and now I will refresh this application. Okay, so here is all column is uh, showing on the grid view. So now if I click the new form, the form is not adjust. Basically only one column is appear here, so I will adjust the form. Okay, to click on the table, database table, and go to the form, and you remember here is the card form, quick form. So basically we add the main form. Always we add the main form. Click on the edit button. So here this form look like this and same as here. So what we'll do, we will add all column, and this is the new general, and I will show you. See this. Okay, employee ID and owner name. So I will adjust the form. If you no need to the owner, so you can hide the column. Okay, because it is mandatory, so it hide. And here is the field, the fee form field. So these are all the column. So we add the employee ID and first name, last name, city, state.
It's a just double click or a drag and drop, is it?
No, you can also drag and drop, and you can also click, you can also drag and drop. Okay, if you delete it, okay, it is not deleted because every time if the column is required, so it is not deleted. So status you can hide from the right corner of the properties. Okay, and you can also drag and drop. See this, you can put here and okay. State, okay, state and country. You can also drag and drop, and you can also single click. And you first use, remember, you select the form, this one, and if you can add the any column in basically the country, down from the country. So you can select the country column and click that particular column if you drag and drop, which is which column drag and drop. So here is our simple the new table, and it is a related one. So you can also adjust the form. So this form is a very bigger, so you can adjust the form, select this, and here is the formatting layout of the column. So you can change the layout, you can adjust the column, the one column, two column, three column. Okay, so if you adjust the two column, so basically it is divide in the into the two column. This is our new section, so you can add some column here. Okay, which is, if you no need to, you basically you drop the blank, and you can also change the left right mode and the section. Here is the column, and you can adjust the top, left or right. Basically this is the top. So your column is look like this, and if click on the left, so basically you type, this is the top view, and this is the left view. And you can also change the label of general. So we add the employee details. Okay, and you can change the name, the general with, employee detail, employee details. So save it and publish. So now I will update this application, refresh it, and the form will appear same. So employee ID, we add employee ID 001 008, and the first name Madhu, last name city India. So if I click save and close, zero zero 008 Madhu, and everything is appear on this, and I will delete anyone. So edit anyone, so I will click this row and select edit from the grid view, and now I will edit this 008 8, and 'save and close'. Ram Sankar Dubai Dubai UAE. Okay, it is successfully edited. And if I select delete button, select this particular deleting, we delete, confirm, 7 number will be deleted, and go back to the table. Okay, it is also deleted from here, see this. And now I will add one chart from our table. So I will show you the chart in our application also. So click on the new chart. Here is our chart name, the active employee table. Details, and here we select the field, the first name, employee ID, column, count all, and add series, first name, and select the horizontal field, state. Okay, so see the chart, count 0 or 1, and this California, Dubai, Florida, MP quantity. So see this employee ID and first name. So here you will add the chart, the different chart, area chart, column chart, stock column, 100% stock column. Okay, so save it, save and close, done. So one chart for detail is added. I will show you the chart on our table, our application. Okay, and show the chart. So see the chart. Okay, so this is our chart for detail, chart for detail. So you can modify the chart and update this. So basically you add on from here. And now I will show you you can refresh from here and edit the column. If edit the column, you can edit your column from this, and you can add column from here also. If click add, so here is all column is listed from the table. Okay, so this is our custom column. This is not a by default column created by and created delegation, and you can modify and status on this created by table, and you can add on created on. So close it and apply. Created by and created on. Okay, so you can add on column from the add column, and edit filter, you can use the edit filter. So status equal, and status you can edit the column. Okay, if you change the column status column with something a new column, okay, you can edit from here. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Arjun.
One second. One second. क्या कह रहे हैं? Suppose if I selected status column with the this one modify on, so status column will be changed, modified, apply, not showing on the status column because status column is hide. So if I filter any one column, you can filter from here, no data available. Okay, you can filter it, date and any other column. And this is the Excel export to Excel. So if I export it, Excel template created from loading one, and download the template, and upload template and download template. You can download from here, and on the Excel you can also upload it here, the view all my template. So basically we can download it, employee detail, active detail. So download, open in Excel. Okay, so the data should become enable. Now you can easily download from the Excel file from your application. So that's it about that. And this is our first application, and here is you can add more application. And I will show you how can add the other one app, basically the table, and you can add the model driven app. Where is this? This one. So click on the edit, okay. Simply add page from here. Okay, add page, data was table, next. And I will add user, add placement, all table, the employee one, the one employer. Okay, so I will edit all table, the all three table here. And here you can modify this is the table view, and this is our form. Okay, and if any, this is form, and this is the entity, form and entity, form and entity. Okay, so I will save it. Publish. and play. You can also refresh from here, okay, and directly play, because this the same application, and you can play from here and also update on the same application, okay. So all table um, are listed by grouping. So this is our second form, second table, and this is our third table, and this is fourth table, okay. So employee city and employee name. So here is, if I click the new, the form is set, but view is not set. So you also set the view on the same table. So you go to the data words table, the employee, and change the view form of this. So this is our group 1. Where is the group? The model, here is the name, the model driven app, and you can change the icon, use web resources, okay, and select icon. So here is the icon, different solution icon, check, and apply this icon, change with this, and app title preview. This is our icon, and the description, you can add the description from here, and on the group. So this is the group, okay, group 1. Which one? This one. I will change the group name. So simply change the employee details and click advanced, localize, add localized title, okay, the English employee detail, save. And publish. So this is our data source. All the data source will appear in this add user, and this is in your environment. This is our environment data source, internal, and this is app this data sources will show on the data, and this one is our the business process flow. There is no flow available, so no showing. So here is completely and if I refresh, employee detail, group with change, employee detail. So now this is our third application and navigate. Okay, that's it. So this is our first application, and tomorrow we'll